going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. So today is install day. As you can see, we have what looks to appear to be a spoiler. And if you guessed that, that is absolutely correct. We are going to be putting on the new rear spoiler here on the Mustang. If we come over here, we can see the old factory spoiler, which really wasn't much of a spoiler at all, to be honest with you. I'm not really gonna keep it a surprise or anything like that. This one here is the GT350 track spoiler. Not the really high tabletop, you know, the raised one, but just the deck lid. This has also been painted black to match the factory black here on the car, which is great. And this should be a fairly easy install, guys. The holes are already there. We just got to basically put it in and install it. One thing I just want to say to you guys, thank you all for showing amazing support for this wrap. You know, overwhelmingly everyone has loved it. You know, everyone's received it pretty well. I've only may have seen like a few negative comments, but overwhelmingly everyone has absolutely loved the wrap, which I'm glad. You know, I'm glad everyone's liked it. If you didn't like it, I really don't care either. But you know, with this kind of wrap, it's one of those things, you know, people are either gonna love it or they're gonna hate it. There's not really gonna be too much in between, but you know, I absolutely love it. It's, you know, really grown on me quite a bit, even more than I thought it would. You know, my thing about this whole thing was I just wanted to do something crazy for my very first wrap. You know, I didn't want to do a solid color. I didn't even really want to do a color shift. You know, I just wanted to do something a little bit different, a little bit crazy. And I have to say that I'm extremely happy with the way this turned out. Again, those guys over at Mob Auto Boutique, they just did a fantastic job. So thank you so much, guys, and thank you all for the support. Really appreciate it. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and install this thing. I think this is going to really tie up the rear end real nicely. I think it's going to look really good. One thing I noticed that's kind of going to be a pain, this new spoiler has no studs. They just have these pre-drilled holes, whereas you can kind of see what I mean by studs. We have right here where you can just screw a nut on, and that's okay that this one doesn't have it. I mean, they do give you hardware, which is nice, but that means now I have to actually look up through in the dark and try to thread these in. That's gonna suck. Alright guys, so there we go. We got it all installed now. Just gotta actually just go ahead and give it a quick wax, but oh yeah, that looks much better. Also gotta get that tailpipe straightened out. That's killing me right there. Other than that though, this thing looks absolutely great. The car has just pretty much come together very nicely now. And yeah, couldn't be happier with it, to be completely honest. It just looks fantastic. All right, so now we're here in the evening. The wing has now been installed, and I have to say, it just looks absolutely fantastic. I am so happy with how that turned out. Now for tonight, we're gonna be spending the night over at Mob Auto Boutique. They have a car meet over there, so we're gonna be heading on over. Hopefully it's gonna be a good turnout. I know Riley from RP Productions is gonna be there, as well as I don't know, other people, I guess. So, should be a lot of fun.
like this. You did good rapping it. Did you rap it?
Yeah, I'm gonna throw people off.
Almost everybody's walked up, they're like, oh, it's red?
Yeah, it's right here. He's changed your mind, Riley. We got a little bit more of this right here for you.
I think that'd be good for like,
we got a little bit more.
Like a trunk, maybe?
Yeah, like a trunk. Yeah.
That would be pretty wild, doing that with the green and...
Yeah, he's challenging.
Well, that's gonna do it for tonight, man. I really appreciate again all the love and the support for the rap. Guys, it really means a lot to me, you know. I mean, I wasn't going for necessarily, you know, the most popular thing in the world, you know. As long as I liked it, that's really all that mattered. But you know, again, the support has just been awesome, so I just want to really say I appreciate it. Hope you guys continue to check on back to the channel, and there's gonna be a lot more to come, so thank you all for watching. Yankee Dewey signing out, and I'll see you in the next one.
If you like what you see, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, as well as hit the bell notification icon to get an update on all my latest videos. Hope you all enjoy. Thanks for watching.